Well, we're at 401 East Market. Looking at the great front porch. Beautiful ceiling. Chandelier in the dining room. Pocket doors that work beautifully. A side porch there. Grass cloth in here. From the grand entry, you can see the living room. This has been sometimes called a ballroom in its day. And the dining room. And then through there you can see the breakfast room. And these doors go into the butler's pantry. And we'll go back to the kitchen. But off of this living room, is a cozy sitting room. And this nice sunroom. Coming out to the portico. Lots of light. Beautiful woodwork. Very well built home. More pocket doors. So you can just leave them open or close them off to make it private. See the ironwork around the radiators. This door goes down to the basement. A nice little powder room here. And this is the breakfast room that we saw from the entry. A huge backyard with lots of concrete. And a separate garage. And here's your kitchen. It's got great appliances and a nice Viking gas stove. Big Viking refrigerator that is heated. And there's the elevator shaft. Now the elevator does not work that they know of. And then I love this room. This is the butler's pantry. It goes out to the dining room. It's got a copper sink, copper drain board. Lots of cabinets. The original cabinets here are so quaint. And then this is the back stairs. A beautiful Tiffany lamp. And beautiful grand staircase. So interesting. Perfect landing. I can think of so many uses for this. Could even have a little combo or band playing for a party. Or just a nice nook for reading. And upstairs we have four nice bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a study. Love these bathrooms. Lots of light. Tall ceilings upstairs. Another nice bedroom. Milk glass. And this is used as the owner's bedroom. Closet. And the 4th bedroom.